Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you the best USB-C hub that you can buy for your MacBook. So let's begin the video. The first question is, why buy a hub for your MacBook? And the easiest answer is your MacBook doesn't have all the needed ports. For example, I want to connect my keyboard and mouse which have a USB-A port, so I need some kind of hub to connect it with my Mac. There are a lot of dongles out there, so you need to identify that which dongle is going to solve your problem. Mainly that, does that dongle have the ports required by you? And the second thing is that, is its price justifiable or not? There are a lot of dongles out there, but you need to find that one which is going to solve your problem. So the hub that I bought is this USB-C 5-in-1 hub from UGreen. So it has a total of 2 USB 3 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 Ethernet port and a 1 Type-C port. So other than all the ports available on my Mac, I'm going to get additional 5 more ports using this hub. Talking about the specs of this hub, the USB 3 ports can support up to 5 gigabits of transfer speed. The HDMI port on this hub can support 4K at 60 fps and Ethernet at a speed of 1000 megabits per second. The USB-C port on this can also support 100-watt power delivery, but the downside is that it can only deliver power and cannot transfer data. Other thing that I like about this hub is that it is not going to block all of your other ports on your Mac. Like if you got any other Type-C or MagSafe port, then it is not going to interrupt it, which is really cool, because if you see other USB hubs out there, they're going to block most of your ports. So that's the main design feature that I like about this hub. Other thing is that it's not going to weight a lot, so you can carry it easily, and it is small in size, which is really great. For the build quality, it is also quite great. Looking at its price point, the wire is flexible and I don't think it's going to break that easily. The other thing is that the body is also quite premium to the touch. Not fully metal, but it is okay. Lastly, looking at the flaws of this USB hub, the one thing that you're going to note is that it does not have an SD card reader slot, and the second thing is that it is going to get a little bit hot when you're going to use it continuously for 3 to 4 hours. In my case, I didn't cared about the SD card slot because my MacBook Pro already had it. But if you're the one who really needs an SD card slot, you should keep this in mind. And the main decision maker is obviously the price, so you can get this dongle new for around $25 to $30, which is quite cool looking at its specs and its build quality. So yeah guys, I hope that this USB-C hub can solve your major problems regarding MacBooks. So if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe